Guys.
Girls.
Welcome back.
Welcome back indeed.
So we are technically in the studio today, but this is not a studio episode per se. So we are going to be playing a game called That Sound Game that Rem de la Creme brought in for us today.
Yes, sir.
And basically what we're going to do is charades with sounds. So it starts off with hands behind your back. I will have to portray a saying. It could be stinky shit. And my hands behind my back, and I'll go. And then Fiona will be like, stinky shit. So me and Fiona will be competing against each other, and it will be up to Rem and Justin to guess what our actions are. We're going to do a mix around of the studio so that we can get some space to play this game. And then I'm going to click, and then we're going to be in the thing.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
We're here.
We're back in.
Yeah, that's seamless edit.
Yeah.
Seamless edit.
All right, cool. So we're going to play the sound game. Since Rem is the only judge, it doesn't matter who sees what.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
You can go first.
What if I don't want to go first?
Cool.
You can go first. All right, so it's going to be 3 minutes.
Okay.
You do the actions. You can either make noise or say onomatopoeia,
Okay.
which is noise words, sorry. As soon as he guesses it, if he guesses it right, you get the point.
And then you tell me when to start the timer, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm looking away.
So for you guys at home, just to let you know, we're playing the X-rated edition. 3, 2, 1, and go.
All right.
I can't, you're not helping me, and I know you can, there's another level to this.
Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Yeehaw.
Reverse cowgirl. Cool. Oh no. Golden shower. No? How? You're peeing on something. The cum shot? Bukkake? You're still going, bro. You're peeing on something. How are you not urinating? I don't get it. Squirting?
Yes.
Jesus. All right, cool. This is disgusting, by the way. Gangbang. Three-way, threesome, gangbang, foursome. I don't know. That's not gangbang. Multiple partners. Orgy. Fair. Bro, if this is how you actually get down,
This is hands back. That's all I can do with hands behind my back, bro.
bro. Oh, this is sorry, bro. This is so sorry. Rodeo, riding a,
Just,
Time.
bro.
just,
Wow.
just ordinary box standard sex.
That was just sex.
Wow.
The hands behind the back murks it.
Right.
It's tough.
It looked tough.
It's tough. It's tough.
It looked tough.
And 3 minutes starts now.
Wow. Charge. Charge.
Oh my god, come on, bro.
Charge.
Come on!
Bro, you're not
No,
seeing these.
trust me.
Small talk, dirty talk, pillow talk. Sex talk over the phone. Phone sex.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes.
Fuck.
Don't know yet.
Your mom.
Orgasm? Okay. I'm glad.
Don't know yet.
Charge. Charge. All right.
Foot fetish? Toe fetish. Foot job.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a dominatrix kind of kicking you in the balls, hurting, pain.
Wow.
Okay. Getting bingies when you're asleep. Being woken up to have sex. Being woken up to a blowjob.
Listen.
You're snoring. I can hear you snoring. But where are you? Why? Ah, wet dream. Nice. Well, not nice really, but. Oh, whiplash. Whip. Wet. Pussy wet.
Yes!
Oh, all right. Electrodes. Electric chair.
Yes, you got it in the nick of time.
Fucking hell.
Fuck, this was.
Yeah,
Some of these are weird.
some of them were mad.
So the ones you charge: monkeypox, landmine, lap dance, magic mushrooms, sperm whale, dolphins mating, camel toe.
Dolphin mating.
I think all the good ones are action
Actions.
ones. Some
All
of them
right.
are hard.
Okay,
All
fair.
right. I'm gonna try and stick to the actions. Right, scores after round 1.
Round 1 scores are Fuhad 3, James 7.
Fair.
Okay, fair.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, damn. Sniffing a line of coke or something?
Well done.
Okay.
Oh, God. Are you like a cook? You're getting. What's going on?
Focus.
You're giving bingies there, and then you spin around and get backshotted as well.
Pass.
Yeah, 69.
I can't, it's hard to do with one
tough.
person.
Wow.
Are you nutting on yourself? You're going and you finish and then you go to sleep. You finish and then you lay back. You're relaxed now.
Pass.
Quickie.
Okay.
Motorboating,
Correct.
thank you.
Pass.
Yeah, massive pass.
Pass.
Masturbating that one was.
What? Now we're peeing. Golden shower?
Let's go.
Thank you. Hallucinating? This doesn't look like it's consensual. What's going on? Thank God.
Wow. Do your thing. Don't you dare pass.
No way.
Don't you dare pass. Go, do it.
Yo! What's going on? Wow! DP! Or deep throat, sorry. Okay, yeah, fellatio.
Go. Oh! Pass. The fuck?
That one was a techie one.
Yeah, that last one was necrophilia.
Holy! The scores are currently, so you're still on 7 from the first round. Fuhad boosted his score up to 9.
Wow. Okay.
From 3 to 9.